Hi, in front of me is OUKITEL WP23 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Security. Then click on Face and Fingerprint Unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, tap on Face Unlock and choose More at the bottom right corner. Then you need to tap on I agree, also at the bottom right corner. And last but not least, select Start. After that, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Finally, select Done. Manage all of those options however you want to and tap on Home button. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!